the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, as a non-profit private institution headed by the Emir of Kuwait, acts as a catalyst to stimulate science, technology, and innovation system in Kuwait. So KFAS initiated a project to increase or to accelerate the application of solar energy in Kuwait to reach 15% of the demand by 2030 by renewable energy. So we started the project and initiated it to install PV on the parking areas of 2 cooperative societies. Of course, without applying energy efficiency, the effect of the renewable energy will not have a great impact. So part of the project was improving the efficiency of the co-ops. That is by the 2 major consumers of energy in any building, especially in our region, which is lighting and air conditioning. Lighting, usually lighting load is around 15% of the total building load, and usually it has a great effect on the air conditioning load.
The National Technology Enterprises Company, NTECH, was honored by KFAS for developing the vision that KFAS had for developing a solar operated parking spaces in the co-ops of Kuwait. And we were honored by having a project management contract. As we thrive, being a national institute, is to suffice the vision of the whole nation when it comes to development plan and technology projects development and technology transfer, along with, more importantly, the knowledge transfer that we thrive to achieve in every project that we develop.
Working with Philips was a great experience. So their understanding of the technology, the industry, gave us a comfort and a good communication and in-depth understanding of the solution. So they are not only selling a product, so they are selling a solution, and understanding the complication, understanding the ROI, the return on investment, understanding the complication in Kuwait system gave us a good understanding of the importance of the lighting.
So we dealt with Alghanim Philips to install, to retrofit actually the lighting systems in these 2 co-ops. Our experience with Alghanim Philips was, I can say it's excellent. The response of the company, the action of the team was very professional. And I would like to say that also they act very quick in case of contingencies. Of course, this is as a pilot project, we have lots of contingencies and lots of changes, lots of variations, and they were very, very helpful in applying these variations and helping us within our contingencies.
Apart from the usual challenges of the project, lighting side, we have faced a main challenge during the execution time. We executed this project most on the Ramadan and the holidays time, and these selected co-ops were very busy business centers. But Alhamdulillah, with the support of Alghanim Philips, flexible timing and coordination, and of course co-ops, very close coordination, we have done a very successful job, which you can see that result has been come as a benchmark and a state-of-art project which can be implemented all over Kuwait in a very good way.
Philips Alghanim has delivered professional services that met up with all the contract requirements. That was reflected as the project completion within the timeline and the quality of work. The project requirement was to achieve minimum 50% savings in lighting energy. They have achieved 63% savings in Zahraa Co-op and 72% savings in Adaliya Co-op. We found them very committed and very capable to achieve the project goals.
The environment of the co-op has completely changed after going from conventional lighting system to LED lighting system. We have increased the footfall of the customers, and the customers enjoy shopping more with the better lighting levels. The employees also feel more comfortable and energetic during the working hour with the new system. I would like to thank Yusuf Ahmed Alghanim Lighting Division and Philip Lighting for providing us the best system and supporting us. I do recommend all co-op management to switch to the LED system in their respective cooperative.
Innovation and you. Philips.